Here comes stuffed tondli with prawns. This is also called ivy gars, and you can make it with prawns, shrimps, and also veg with paneer. Here I am taking tondli, the prawns, chopped onion, grated coconut, sliced onion, tamarind, turmeric powder, chili powder, and masala: peppercorn, poppy seed, red chili, elaichi, dalchini, cloves, and coriander seeds. Now take the tondli, cut the stem, and when you're selecting this tondli, take a long ones so you can stuff nicely masala inside. Remove the stem. Don't cut it till end. Cut it into plus sign. This way. So that all four sides is open. Now add some water to it, turmeric powder and salt, and boil it. On other sides, take a pan and roast all this masala without oil. Roast it till golden brown. And make a very fine powder of it. Now take a pan, add little oil, 1 teaspoon, and add 1/4 of onion, sliced onion, make it brown, and add grated coconut to it. This is a fresh coconut, and fry till golden brown. Add tamarind and make a very fine paste. Add little water. We want a thick paste, so add very little. Now add all these ingredients: dry masala powder, tamarind, coconut paste, prawns, turmeric chili powder, and chopped onion. Remove all the tondlis. Add salt. Add little salt because we are already adding some salt while boiling tondlis. Coriander chopped, and mix all this together and stuff this in the boiled tondli. Now take a pan, add oil to it, 2 tablespoons according to your actual quantity, and place all the stuffed tondli in the pan. If the tondlis are cut, just put it over it, and whatever remaining masala, just spread over it. Add this garam masala just to get a nice aroma, and whatever you can add a little water and close and very slow fire cook it. Don't mix with the spoon, just shake the pan. You have to mix very carefully. And here the stuffed tonlis are ready. In place of prawns, you can add here paneer, potatoes. You can also add green peas. So if you like it, subscribe my channel, like it and share it.